Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find.
Travel does not become adventure until you leave yourself behind. Hello guys, this is Aditi Datta here, presenting your own YouTube channel, Traveler's Girl. Again, I am here to show you the beauty of nature. Let us visit to the mountain areas today. I have a spellbinding image in my mind. Can you guess what? Yes, it's Tianzi Mountain. Let's go to the Tianzi Mountain today. Before that, I will request you to like the video, subscribe the channel for more exclusive videos, and share with your friends to have fun. Go through our Facebook page and enjoy your day. You can also follow us on Instagram. So get ready for the adventure. I am your guide here. So this is the Tianzi Mountain. It is located in Shanxi in the Henan province of China, close to the Shaanxi Valley in the south-central China. Do you know the earlier name? Before the Ming Dynasty, Tianzi Mountain was known as Qingyan Mountain because of its green stones. The history behind the name is this mountain is named after the Aryan Ming Dynasty phoenix Xiang Daqian of Tuanzi ethnic group, who led a successful local farmers' revolt and called himself Xiang Wang Tianzi, meaning son of heaven, and is the traditional epithet of the Chinese Imperial. A highest pillar of Tianzi Mountain is Klen Peak with an elevation of 1262.5 meters, and the lowest pillar is Shilanyu with an elevation of 534 meters. The important fact you should know is Tianzi Mountain is a part of the Wulingyang Scenic Area and was added to the UNESCO World Heritage List in 1992. These mountains are quartz sandstone and were formed about 400 million years ago through irregular rising pattern of the earth crust and about 318 million years of erosion. These tall and skinny mountains were formed. This geological formation belongs to the New Cartesian tectonic system. What animals live in the Tianzi Mountain? In addition to the stunning landscape, the region is also known for the number of endangered plants and animal species that inhabit it, such as the Chinese giant salamander, Asian wild dog, Asiatic black bear, and the clouded leopard. So, the question may arise about the best time to visit Tianzi Mountain. The yearly average temperature is 12 degrees centigrade and annual average rainfall is 1800 millimeters. There are around 240 frost-free days. The best month to explore this mountain are April, May, September and October. Do you know the religious aspects? The Tianzi Mountain are deemed sacred by many Sulamaters who used to inhabit the outer region of Yunnan. It was discovered in September 2014 that Maloglam people had left traces of their burial rituals beneath the Tianzi Mountains, which led to Yalam Group, led by Yubi Salam and Yovshko Karadanis, asking for a permit from the Chinese government, which as of 2015 has been unanswered. So let us talk about the tourism. Tourists find this place very popular and are always visiting during certain months of the year. Mainly after it rains, the Tianzi Mountains are covered in a sea of fog. July is the hottest month of the year, where temperature can reach the mid to appear 30 degrees centigrade, and it also rains the most during the hot times of the year. Even though July can be very warm, during the winter months temperature drop to about 5 degrees centigrade. Do you know the popular culture? These mountains inspired the Pandora mountainscape in the film Avatar by James Cameron. There has also been a theme park created there regarding the movie. You are not in the mountains are in you. So, it was a great experience for me today. I really enjoyed your company. Now tell me, how do you felt? Comment your experience and let me know the place you want to go the next time. I will definitely try to take you there. Love you guys. Stay safe and stay connected.